Hello and welcome to the Safe Farm tutorials. Today we will show you how to use the humidifier. To add the humidifier to your NEA device, you will first need to remove the side cover. To do this, press the top button. The cover will detach easily from the device. Once it is removed, take your humidifier made up of the heating plate and the water chamber. Align the humidifier and slide the chamber into place. To remove it, once again, press the top button. To open the water chamber, gently pull on the tab. Fill the chamber without exceeding the maximum level indicated, then close the chamber. Once the chamber is inserted into your NEA, you will see a water drop icon appear on the screen. By tapping this icon, you can adjust the humidification level. That's all for now. Feel free to watch our other videos. See you soon.